All right, today I want to talk about bone density and muscle mass independent of weight and how that correlates to your longevity, your health as you age. So, I had a client just do a DEXA scan. She is a female in her mid 50s. Her bone density was fantastic. So, 80% higher than people who have done the DEXA, and that's across all ages. She is 80% higher, and your bone density decreases as you age, typically, especially with females with the hormone changes, menopause, all of those things. So, she was 80th percentile in women across the board. Okay, and then you can see here her Z score is a 2.0. You see this little thing on the side here. She's already in the top 95%. And then you put an age matched Z score. Again, that's the young adults. She's already in the 90th percentile. You give her an age matched Z score, she's literally off the charts. It is so fantastic. So, independent of age, she already has great bone density. She's been training with me for 5 years, once a week for probably 4 years. In the last like 6 months or so, we've bumped up to 2 times a week. So I was so excited to see these scores from her. Again, her muscle mass, her bone density. This means she is less likely to fall because she has muscle, she has coordination, she has stability. That's not a direct correlation with the muscle and catching yourself, but because she strength trains and we do all of this stability, this muscle reactivity, all of these things are going to help prevent her from falling. And even if she does fall, those bones are holding up. She's not breaking a hip anytime in the near future. So being in your 50s, 40s, 60s, 30s, whatever it is, I know it seems silly to worry about falls this early on, but if we don't move, we die. The less we move, the worse our overall health is. We need our muscles to pump blood back to our heart to prevent us from clotting. We need our bodies to move. So even if you fall in your 30s, yes, you might be able to recover pretty quickly, which is awesome. We love that. But as you get older, it's harder to recover. So obviously we don't want to fall and get injured at any age, but as we get older, it's harder to recover. So keeping an eye on this, I do strength training. Stability is huge. Being able to step off a curb and catch yourself, deceleration, all super important. And if we train them now, it will help us down the line. It doesn't matter if we're in our 20s or 30s now, 40s, 50s. If we're not thinking about being in fear of falling, we will be at some point, and we need to train for it.